This is a Singer 403A that I'll be listing on eBay soon. It's a great solid machine. Comes with all the good stuff that you see here, original Singer attachments, including the foot pedal. So I will add some videos to the end of me sewing on it. But first I'll show you around what it comes with, and sewed these 2 layers of denim here with the machine in straight and zigzag. Did the same thing with this wool pair of pants that you can see there. It's 2 layers as well, sewed real well, and that's actually on the video, the straight and the zigzag. Has this original manual printed from the internet, as well as some a handful of needles, thimbles, some other stuff. Comes with all of these fashion discs. There's 8 here and 1 on the machine. You can see it's numbers 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's 0 in the machine. Original box with that the attachments came in. Box is a little musty, and it'll inside come with all those things there. 5 bobbins and 1 in the machine. So has the original Singer foot pedal that works real well, and most importantly, here is the machine. I'll show you around it now, give you a quick tour. The light works. Put a new LED bulb in there. In fact, I've cleaned and oiled the whole machine, so it's a really solid, nice looking machine. You can see the gloss there, still in good condition. See some discoloration right there. This is your other fashion disc, number 0, does the zigzag. And we'll flip it around next. This is just the other side of the machine. Give you some close-ups. Really in remarkable condition overall, and most importantly, it works. So next will be the videos of me sewing on it. Shorten up the stitch length. Now we'll do zigzag with the fashion disc and 2 different stitch lengths. Shorten it up.